Welcome to Getting Started with Banner 9. In this lesson, you learn how to navigate a Banner 9 page, including reviewing the elements of a page and using its key features. In this demonstration, let's use the search field to access Spaden, the general person identification page. You can enter keywords or the page's 7-letter identifier. After typing 3 characters, pages matching your entry display. Click on the page name to access the page. You can also type the page name or 7-letter identifier into the field and press Enter on your keyboard to open the page. The key block displays. The information in the key block determines what data is entered or displayed on the rest of the page. Either type data into the fields or click the lookup icon to search for and select appropriate values. After entering the required information in the key block, click Go to activate the page. Note that the menu panel persists on all screens throughout the system. Notice too that the key block collapses, but the information is still viewable. Click Start Over to return to the key block and re-enter data. Pages are divided into sections that contain additional details about the key block information. Sections are denoted by gray bars. You move between sections or between tabs by clicking the previous section or next section icons located at the bottom of the page. You can collapse or expand sections using the directional arrows located in the section headers. This allows you to focus on the information that is pertinent at the moment and hide unneeded information. Once closed, simply click the arrow to reopen the section. Many Banner 9 pages now have tabs which help to organize data. Unless grayed out, tabs are active. Click on the tab to open it, or use the previous section or next section icons to move between tabs. Note that there may be vertical or horizontal scroll bars associated with some sections. Use these scroll bars to move up and down or side to side within a section to view more information. Click on a tab or the previous section or next section icons to move between tabs. You can perform specific actions such as insert, delete, copy, and filter within each section. Your cursor must be in that section to activate the functions. Otherwise, they will appear grayed out as shown here. Certain functions are located in the page header to make them more readily accessible. For example, the Add and Retrieve icons used with Banner Document Management are now located in the page header. If your institution uses Banner Workflow, the Release and Submit icons would display here as well. The related icon provides easy access to pages associated with the current page. Click the icon to open the menu. You can select a page from the list provided or use the search field to locate a specific page. Simply click the icon again to close the menu. The Tools menu gives you access to standard actions and options related to the page. The options listed here change based on the page you have open or the page section in which your cursor is located. Use the vertical scroll bar to see all your options. Take note of the new page layout feature at the bottom of the Tools menu, which provides you with sizing options. The current page display is compact screen. Watch what happens when it is switched to expanded. The page takes up more real estate, filling the screen. The page layout setting you choose will persist throughout the system. To switch it back, access the Tools menu and select Compact. Let's say I make an update to this page and save my work. The Notification Center icon displays when there are 1 or more messages as indicated by the number. There are 3 message levels. Green, as shown here, indicates the action executed successfully. Typically, a green message is purely informational. A yellow message indicates a warning, and a red message indicates an error. Toggling on the number shows or hides the message. Online help is available for all pages. On any given page, click the Help icon, the question mark, in the menu panel to display detailed descriptions about the page and its fields. In many cases, step-by-step instruction on how to enter information is also provided. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+L to open the online help as well. Information specific to the page displays in a separate window, making it easier to toggle between the page you are working on and the help information. Note the printer icon at the top of the page, which lets you print page-specific information. In the left column, a list of all pages for the Banner module displays. Click on a page to view its help information, or use the search field to access help for a page. You will need to close the browser window to exit help. The Recently Viewed folder indicates the number of pages accessed during a session. In this case, there are 2. Click the icon to see a list of those pages, or press Ctrl+Y on your keyboard to open the folder. This makes it easy to navigate back to pages that you might need to use again. Simply click on the page name and navigate to it. For purposes of the demo, let's close the expanded menu panel and continue the tour of a Banner 9 page. For all Banner 9 pages, the Save button is located at the bottom of the page in the right corner. The page footer includes the record count and the table field name. To close the page, click the X icon on the page itself, or click the dashboard icon on the menu panel, or use the keystroke Ctrl+Shift+X. Any of these methods will return you to the landing page. Use the Sign Out icon instead of just closing your browser window to ensure that you completely log out of the Banner application, or press Ctrl+Shift+F on your keyboard to exit Banner. For a list of Banner 9 keyboard shortcuts, click the Course Resources icon on the Course Launch page to print the Keyboard Shortcuts Quick Reference Guide and all quick reference guides associated with this course. This concludes the tour of a Banner 9 page, including reviewing the elements of a page and basic navigation within a page.